Here, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF file to PowerPoint using Adobe Acrobat. So this is my PDF. I'm just opening this PDF on my Adobe Acrobat. And here we can see the entire PDF file. Now to convert it to PowerPoint, click on File. And here hover over on Export to. And here select Microsoft PowerPoint Presentation. And select a location where you want to save it, and you can rename it here, and then click on save. And it may take some times to export the PPTX file. Once the file successfully converted, as you can see, the file has been converted to PPTX. Now let's open it in Microsoft PowerPoint, and here as you can see the project I just converted from a PDF file. And now you can easily go ahead and edit the PPTX file just like this, and that's it.